Hello everyone, this is William Ford from WEF World. Welcome to Sure Thing, a fresh way to enjoy Pittsburgh from its most iconic vantage point, the rivers. Tucked between the city's famous Three Sister Bridges, this floating haven invites you to slow down, stretch out, and take in the skyline like never before. Whether you're unwinding with a yoga session, vibing to live music, or joining a hands-on art activity, there's always something happening right on the water. Inspired by Pittsburgh's legacy of working barges and built in partnership with local creatives, Sure Thing is more than just a platform, it's a gathering place. A spot where movement, music, and community meet the rhythm of the rivers. It's all part of Riverlife's bigger vision, bringing people to the waterfronts not just to pass through, but to truly connect. Because when these spaces reflect the soul of the city, they become something greater. Places where everyone can feel at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.